Hello friends, I am Manas and today in this segment we are going to discuss about an educational program or a mission, and this is launched by our central government of India recently. Okay, and this is Nipun Bharat Mission and it is an educational program. So Nipun Bharat Mission stands for the National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. So we will know about this mission and what is the objective to launch this program, some key points and other related initiative to promote education. And here you can see the cutting of this news from the government website. Okay, this is. So this scheme is launched by the Department of School Education and Literacy under the Ministry of Education on 5th July in this year 2021. Okay, and it is launched by our ex-education minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and his constituency is Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Now who is our education minister after the reshuffle of cabinet? This is Dharmendra Pradhan, who is our ex-oil and petroleum minister. So next is objective. So what is the objective to launch this program? This program aims to cover the learning needs of children. And what will be the age group of these children? The age group will be 3 to 9 years. Okay, and teachers need to focus on every child for developing basic languages, literacy and numeracy skills, and which will help them develop into the better readers and writers. And so the main focus is to make them or make their foundation strong and make their fundamental strong. Okay, and what will be the target of this mission? For this mission, the target according to the government data, the target will be 2026 to 2027. Okay, so Nipun Bharat envisages the making experience of learning at the foundational stage holistic, integrated, inclusive, enjoyable and engaging. Okay, so next is key points. So here are some key points about this mission. First is 5-tier implementation system to be set up for Nipun Bharat at the national, state, district, block and school level, and it will be implemented under in all states and in all union territories under the aegis of the centrally sponsored Samagro Shiksha Abhiyan. Okay, so next is that ACER report. So we have to know first that what is ACER report. ACER report is annual state education report, and according to this report, a lots of students in primary school cannot even read or write, and this mission is for them. Okay, and to enhance their skill, and it will motivate them for studying. Here are some data about the ACER's report. Okay, that 25% of school going kids in their 4 to 8 age group do not have age appropriate mental and numeracy abilities. 4% of kids below the age of 6 are able to understand at least character, and 6% can do addition and subtraction. And from this report you can understand the condition of a child in preschool level or in primary school level. Okay, so next is some related initiatives. First is national education policy. So government says that the Nipun Bharat scheme or Nipun Bharat mission is launched as a measure of NEP or national education policy. Okay, as a part of national education policy. Okay, second is Samagro Shiksha Abhiyan. The Samagro Shiksha program was launched subsuming 3 existing schemes. One is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, second is Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, and third is teachers education. And its aim was to treat school education holistically from preschool level to class 12 standard. Okay, so that's it guys. Hope that I am able to clear the topic. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.